In this video I'm going to take you through how to get into the developer tools in Chrome so that you can test your HTML pages and anything else against mobile or even a bespoke setting of your own. So first of all, what we need to do is click on the menu in the top right hand corner and then go to More Tools, Developer Tools, and you'll notice that the window splits. So you've still got your pane, your browser pane on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you've got your developer panel. So you can see that it will show you things like the code that's currently running. So we can see here that we've got an HTML file, JavaScript file, and a CSS file. And if we click on any of these, the contents of those files will be shown. So you can see here exactly what's there in the JavaScript file, and likewise with the CSS file and also the HTML file. Okay, and we can scroll through these. Now there are a number of different options along the top here that we can use. This video is not going to go through all of these options. I'm simply going to take you through testing your application using the mobile side. So to do that, what we want to do is click on this icon here, and when we do that, you'll see that it automatically comes in, and you'll recognise that layout there as being essentially an Android mobile. So what we can do is we can go into this menu option here, click the down arrow, and you'll see that there are a number of choices that we can choose to change and test our app against these different versions. Okay, or we can click responsive, and you'll see that when we go to responsive, these values become available to us that we can change. So we can change the width of the app, and we can change the height. So we could change that to 800, and we can change that to, let's just say, 640. Okay, and when we change that, you can see how it fills up the screen differently from what was there before. Okay, so if we just set that back to 640, and we'll make that 500. Okay, now you'll also notice that you get a rather large dot in here. If we were in mobile, this would simulate the touch, so that when you clicked, it would simulate you touching the screen. Now, one other thing that might be of interest is this menu up here. If you click on it, you'll see that there are a number of different features that you can use here as well. One of the ones that might be of use is something like show rulers, and when you click that, you get these rulers up and down the side here. So that means that you can then use these drag bars to resize your window that you're using. Okay, and then you can check. You'll see that these have automatically changed the height and width. Okay, now if for instance you don't want to do that, or there when you go into here there aren't enough choices for you for the mobile that you have, for instance, then what you can do is you can go over here to this menu over here inside the developer panel, and if you go down into settings, it will change to settings, of which again I'm not going to go through all of these settings, but if you go to devices, you'll see that there's another list of predefined devices that you can select, and they will then appear in your drop down menu on the other side. Again, if what you're looking for is not there, but you know the dimensions of your own mobile phone or tablet, etc., what you can do is you can click custom device, give it an appropriate name, sensible name, set up the height and width, and you can then start to say you know, like mobile no touch, etc., etc. So you can fill that in and then simply click add once you've got all of these things in there, and that will then become available to you as well. So to come out of here, just click the button to come out, and we can change that back at any time to Nexus. We can take this one off here so that we can hide the rulers, and we're kind of back to where we started. The interesting thing as well with developer tools is you can use the console here, and you can type JavaScript in there and it will come back with various bits and pieces of information, which is quite good. But again, that's for another tutorial. Okay, so hopefully if you haven't seen that before, that was quite useful, and I'll see you in another tutorial. Thanks. Bye.